uzothola umntwana wakho avulekile ku-private party yakhe, umntwana angakhona ukuhamba. Just imagine a 7-year-old. What kind of an animal are you to do that to a child? Kuthini kuwe like uvukelwa kanjani umuntu omdala emntwaneni ongalingana nomntwana omzele? Uyenza uyisilwane siphi like upossesswe yini ngalendlela ukuthi when you see a 7-year-old you see a full woman? Because when you arouse ey'ntangeni zakho, uvukela mawubona iy'ntanga zakho. But umntwana ogqokile i-uniform, fully dressed, bese wena ubona umfazi kuye. Kuthini kuwe mawumuntu? Kanti like abantu bangenwe yini sisiphumla? Ngiyazi ukuthi i-rape into yakudala. Ivusa amanxeba kakhulu njengoba ngasho last ngathi I'm a victim of rape twice.
Yes.
And endaweni ezisafe. Not ukuthi I was exposed, dressed shortly and no. Endaweni ezisafe. Yanganasela. So uyazibuza ukuthi umuntu mayenza kanjalo usuka cabangani kuye. Usuka possessed noma yinto nje yena ayijwayele ukuyenza. Suke kwenzakalani? Sicabanga ukuthi thina kusuka kwenzakalani engcondweni zalabantu besilisa abahalela abantwana abancane. Phela mawumuntu omdala, you are the person who's supposed to protect that child. Abantwana basakhona ukudlala free estradini. Umntwana akasakhona ukugcoka i-tight because khona ubaba walapha opposite ombhekile ukuthi lo mntwana lo mangamthola. Ithini indaba mayikhulu?